Hey guys, it's Johnny time, and in this video I will show you how my friend is using his cryptocurrencies to pay for rent and how you can do the same and use your crypto for day-to-day expenses without cashing it out and off-ramping it and converting it to fiat. And if you're interested in more tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video so the algorithm will recommend you the top content that you can watch here. Without further ado, let's get started. So me and my friend recently discovered this company called RedotPay. This company allows you to order a virtual or physical credit and debit card, and then using this debit card you can top it up with crypto, with stable coins or other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then you can use it for literally everything in your Apple Pay, in your Google Pay, as a physical card, and so on. In a second, I will show you a step-by-step of how you can get this card and spend your crypto like fiat. But before you do so, if you want to get special discounts on the fees that you're gonna have with this card and within this app, make sure to use the link in the description below. Don't just open your account just going through the regular website, but use the link in the description because you will get a better account with better fees, lower fees, and you also might win some money. I think that by default, if you sign up through my link, you already get $5 just by using the link. So definitely just check it out. You click the link in the description, you go to RedotPay, then you sign up, you download the app, whether you have an iPhone or Android device. Once you download the app, you create your account, and then it looks like any other ordinary banking app, but there is a catch. This is an app that allows you to top up your bank or your account with cryptocurrencies. So the next step would be to send some USDC or USDT on different networks, different blockchains. It could be Polygon, Ethereum, and so on. I do recommend using Polygon because the fees are way lower than Ethereum. Now, once you topped up your account, you can order cards. You can choose a virtual card that costs $10, but again, if you use my link, they have promotions, they have discounts, and you can get it for a cheaper price. It's an instant setup. You right away can add it to Apple Pay or Google Pay, or you can just use the number to make online purchases, or you can order a physical card for $100, and using this card you can also withdraw cash in ATMs, you can use it in hotels or car rentals, or use contactless payments. And the way I found about this method is through my friend that told me that he's using his crypto that way for day-to-day expenses, including the rent price. So he's literally renting apartments in Airbnb and traveling using crypto, using this card. So you can do the same. Just follow my steps. Just use the link in the description, download the app, get the card, whether it's virtual or physical card, and start using your crypto in everything in your day-to-day expenses, let it be rent, groceries, so on. The cool thing about RedotPay that it's super easy to use and it works in a lot of countries. There are no monthly or weekly fees like in most banks. There is some kind of small 1% conversion fee. I think it's 1.1 or 1.2 conversion fee from crypto to fiat. And also, if you have other currencies like euro, or you live in other countries where you don't use US dollars, there will be another small conversion fee. But rather than that, this is all the fees that you're going to pay. And if you're going to use my link, your fees are going to be lower. So definitely check it out. Check the link, get your card, and start spending your crypto. If you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know what you thought in the comments below, or if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Turn that bell notification button, like the video so the algorithm will push to your feed awesome tutorials about DeFi and crypto. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.